Hello! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button, and after you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see this icon that looks like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon, and if you tap on it, it will bring you to this menu. And here you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the minus and plus buttons. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the screen brightness through the settings, so we can open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon, and in settings you can select the brightness option. It will open the brightness menu, and again you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.